Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Hey, you know why you should subscribe to my channel? Well, this week we've looked at a new Edge Coyote Swap Mustang, 18 GT with a Roush Phase 2 kit, 19 GT with a Whipple Supercharger, and now I'm going to show you a sweet 3-valve with 34,000 miles with an Edelbrock Supercharger and some more mods. We'll make it down a pool. Let's get this party started. All right, before I go into detail on the mods on this car, I was thinking, it's kind of crazy. This car's 12 years old, it's super clean. But what's nuts is the amount of 3-valve Mustangs that we build that really don't have a lot of miles. I mean, hey, we put superchargers on cars with over 100,000 miles, but there are so many still clean 3-valves out there. Have dug with me. Let's take a look at what we have going on. This is our Edelbrock 560E intercooled supercharger kit. It's roughly around 9 PSI. And you get the cool air induction system, 41-pound fuel injectors, boost the pump, Kohler spark plugs, the proper tune, everything you need to get yourself up and running via mail order or here in the shop. We have the option where you can add an SCT tuner if you don't already have one. And this kit even comes with a Ford Performance GT500 high flow fan. We also install our Lopi Detroit rocker camshafts, a set of pipes, long tube headers with high flow cats, running through some Borla mufflers. This is an H-pipe if you like the sound. It's a really sweet setup. So I think what we'll do right now is we're gonna make a couple of dyno pulls. Let's check out the numbers. Good. Let's take a closer look. 2 pulls, 482 rule, 486, right about 6,400 RPM. Torque came in at a solid 435 and 437. We're over 400 torque by 3,500 RPM. Doug, take a peek at that graph. I ran her up to about 6,500. We're still climbing up here, but the numbers came out great. So that's the 560 kit with the cams. In the description, I will put links so you can read more about it. But it's a cool setup. You can email quote@brenspeed.com to say, hey, what's that cost to get installed? Let's take one more look at the car right here. Again, a super clean 08. It's an 08 Shelby car. Definitely has some aftermarket parts on it, a lot of parts on it from Shelby, but it looks really cool. Probably hit some car shows. So if you have questions about this, leave a comment, happy to answer. And that's our Edelbrock Supercharger package. And check out the other videos. And then I know some of you are gonna leave a comment. Whoa, is that too much power for my stock engine? I will have a video for you to click on right here that you can read my opinion, watch my opinion, all about what I feel is too much on a stock engine or what is just right. Thanks for watching.